I just woke up today and said, you know what? How can I make a bloom look like snow? Now, there's lots of kinds of snow, and I don't want the blizzard kind of snow where it's 5 below and you think you're going to have frostbite. So definitely not this kind of snow. More like, this kind of snow, the happy Frosty the Snowman kind of snow. Yeah, that's the kind of snow that I want to make for my bloom. Here's the thing, I want it to be easy. So can I just make it from Cell Activator? To start my snow experiment, I am just going to take a canvas and I'm going to lay down a pillow. And my pillow paint today is going to be Color Places Classic Paint in Antique White from Walmart. And all I'm going to do is flood my canvas and voila, here we are. Okay, I'm going to pop a few bubbles with my kitchen torch. And you know what? My bubbles don't seem to be wanting to come out of the paint. So what I'm going to do is actually try something a little bit different. I am going to grab my alcohol bottle and spray the paint. And you know what? That popped all my bubbles really fast and simple. Just please make sure you do not try to torch this again after you've used alcohol. Just use one or the other and not both. Okay, so the two colors that I've decided to use for my Cell Activator today are Arteza's Prussian Blue and Amsterdam's Payne's Gray. The Amsterdam paints work great for making Cell Activators, so that's what I'm going to use. It's going to darken my blue just a little bit. And I'm also going to be using my Australian Floetrol for this one. Just a surefire way to make Cell Activator. To mix my Cell Activator, I'm going to use 1 part paint, about 4 parts Australian Floetrol, and I've already mixed it, and here it is. And I'm going to put that on the back of my very large number 14 palette knife so that I can swipe it across my house paint. Just getting that on my knife, it takes quite a bit, and now I'm ready to do my very first swipe. Will I get snow? Let's see what happens. Okay. And there we are. Kind of looks like a starry sky, and you see it's already starting to develop in the top corner. And now I'm just going to reload my knife and do it again. I think I'm starting to see snow in the sky. Instead of a starry night, it's a snowy night. I've decided to add just a little bit of glimmer. Now, normally in a bloom, you would use your pigment, so I'm going to use one pigment and one pigment only. I am just putting down Abalone Shell from the Bling It line of ColourArte, and it is so awesome. I've been putting some over where my Cell Activator is. It's just going to add a little bit of shimmer and shine to my background, and it's mixed with Berry 300 and Joe Sonia Varnish. Pretty much classic recipe, and I'll put that in the description below. Okay. So look at how it's developing. You're really seeing lots of little snowflakes, it looks like. And even you can see where I put the Abalone Shell over the Cell Activator. Normally it's the other way around. And it's actually eating through my Cell Activator. So that's kind of cool. You don't often see that. So now let's get back to swiping. So what do you think? Does it look like snow on the wind? Let me know in the comments below, and let me know if it would make a great background for something. Until next time, bye now.